Hey everyone, Dave here with Headset Advisor. Jabra just released a brand new software called Jabra Engage AI. This is a sentiment analysis software, which is just a fancy way of being able to measure the tone of voice and the sentiment of customers in real time. It gives feedback to the software so that your agents, your supervisors, and also your customers can be determined how happy, what kind of tone of voice that they have to provide an overall better experience. We're going to talk about the new Jabra Engage AI software right now. Growing up as a kid, my mom would tell me and my brothers, it's not what you said, it's how you said it. And it is very true. There's some things that you can say with a certain tone that is condescending, that is negative, even though if you use it in a different tone of voice, it can be completely positive. So there is very nuance to our conversations that we have with customers, to coworkers, and everything in between. The Jabra Engage AI software is really amazing technology. It uses AI technology to help determine the sentiment of customers and also of agents. So from a management perspective, you're able to coach up your team members even better. And also with the heads up display for each of the agents, they can see in real time how well they are performing in regards to the sentiment they're delivering to customers. It's able to measure, long pauses, interruptions, bad tone. So it gives the agent opportunity to improve live on the call. And as a management team, you're able to determine if there's more training that is needed to provide to certain agents. You're able to determine how you can actually reduce call times, because you could reduce the amount of long pauses. If you're delivering a poor customer experience, it's just going to take longer because customers get frustrated. And now there's a new tool that's able to measure this and give you feedback, not only for the agent, but also as the call center supervisor or customer success manager. You're able to determine live how well your team is doing at providing the best customer service possible. Now, here's a quick example of how the technology works from the agent's perspective. So listen to how the agent is communicating in this clip here.
Thanks so much. You've been super helpful today.
So live on that call, the agent is able to see that they're providing a negative experience to the customer and that the customer is in more of a neutral state in this conversation. There's also a physical score, so you can see as a number how well you're performing and kind of give you a metric to look at so that you can try to improve over time. Now let's take a look at this clip that shows a more positive experience on how it can be improved.
Thanks so much. You've been super helpful today.
Now from that clip, you're able to see that you're giving a more positive experience to the customer. So the agent turns green as well as the customer, because the customer is experiencing a better conversation. So just changing the tone of voice and kind of how you say things can really make a big impact to the customers. How it works is it uses AI technology to measure tone of voice to determine whether it is neutral or positive. And I've talked to a lot of customer service, and if there's a very monotone, basic sounding voice, you just have a more negative experience. For somebody who is positive, uplifting, and trying to really solve your problems, you have a much better experience, even if it was the same exact words that were used. And it's proven to reduce the average talk time down by 25%. So agents that are using this type of software are able to get to 25% more phone calls because they're able to save time and get it off the phone faster while providing a better service. And it's also proven to increase conversions by 31%. When you have salespeople talking to customers and giving a positive and helpful tone of voice, you're going to experience an uplift in conversions just because people like dealing with friendly and nice people. It's pretty logical. And this is a way for everyone in the organization to be on the same page to track the progress of this tone of voice, and engagement with customers to give a clear metric on things to train and improve and monitor. From a security standpoint, it is fully GDPR compliant. It does not translate to voice at all. It uses measurement standards for tone only, and it is fully encrypted from end to end. Many of the customer service KPIs require surveys after an experience, but the problem is many people do not fill out these surveys, and there's certain types of people that won't fill them out. I do a lot of business with different vendors, and I almost never fill out these types of surveys, where Jabra Engage AI is measuring real-time customer satisfaction across 100% of customers. So it's going to give you a very accurate data set to measure the customer satisfaction on any given day, week, or month. Jabra Engage AI works on all the leading contact center platforms, as well as many of the leading UC platforms as well. And you can use it with any wired or wireless headset from any brand. However, using it with the Jabra Engage 50 Mark II or Jabra Engage 40 is going to give you the best experience, as it's going to feed the system the best data possible to give the best results. If you're interested in seeing this software for yourself to see if it can benefit your organization, please reach out to us, call us, email us, or live chat with us, and we can schedule you a free demo so you can experience it for yourself and your organization. Now, if you want to see the best headsets that work with this software, check out the full in-depth review we did of the Jabra Engage 50 Mark II or the Jabra Engage 40 right there. We did a full blender test to test out the noise canceling mic. So check that out. I think you might like it. Well, that's all I got for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button and share this with somebody that you think might benefit from it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next one.